So dear students, in this class we have to explain about Nernst equation. What is Nernst equation? That means the equation which is used to calculate EMF of the given voltaic cell, voltaic or galvanic cell, is known as Nernst equation. So we know that voltaic or galvanic cells, we know that electrochemical cells. So what is Nernst equation? The equation which is used to calculate EMF of the voltaic or galvanic cell, that is say electrochemical cells, is known as Nernst equation. So the mathematical form of Nernst equation is, we know that E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 2.303 RT by NF into log Kc. So this is Nernst equation. We know that where E cell is equal to EMF of the given electric cell, Next, E0 cell is equal to SRP, standard reduction potential of the electrode. Next, T is equal to absolute temperature or Kelvin temperature. Next, R is equal to gas constant. N is equal to number of electrons involved in the reaction. Next, F is equal to 1 Faraday is equal to 96,485 coulombs. Next, Kc is equal to equilibrium constant. So this is the Nernst equation. E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. But we know that Nernst equation, E cell is equal to EMF of the voltaic or galvanic cell is equal to standard cell potential minus 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. So on substituting the values of, here R value we have to substitute in joules. We know that R is equal to universal gas constant. Simply know gas constant. R is equal to 8.314 joule into mole inverse into Kelvin inverse. Next, T is equal to absolute temperature or Kelvin temperature. Absolute temperature, it is taken as 25 degrees centigrade, that is equal to 298 Kelvin. T value taken as 298 Kelvin. Next, F value is known as 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday is equal to coulombs, 96,485 coulombs. Then we can write as, therefore, at 25 degrees centigrade, Nernst. So, if we take any voltaic cell or galvanic cell, generally the galvanic or voltaic cell is kept in room. That means it maintains at room temperature. So, at 25 degrees centigrade or 298 Kelvin, then E cell is equal to E0 cell. On substituting these values, we can get 0.059 by N into log Kc. So, this is the Nernst equation. This is the Nernst equation which is used to calculate EMF of the galvanic cell at room temperature. Next, it is also written as E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by N into log products concentration by reactants concentration. Products concentration by reactants concentration. So this is another formula. E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by N to log products concentration by reactant concentration. When we use equilibrium constant, we use this formula. When products concentration and reactant concentration given, we use this formula. Then another formula is E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by N into log anode concentration by cathode concentration. This is third form. So Nernst equation 3 types. First one, second one, this is third one. Now, so what is the Nernst equation for metal electrode? Nernst equation for metal electrode. So, Nernst equation for metal electrode. That is it. We write as. Now we are writing now we have to write the Nernst equation for metal electrode. That is a E m plus n or m is equal to E0 m plus n or m plus 2.303 RT by NF log 1 by m plus n concentration. Here we know that here E m plus n or m represents volt, that means EMF of the galvanic cell. EMF of the metal electrode. EMF of the metal electrode. Similarly, E0 m plus n m is equal to SRP of the standard reduction potential of the given metal electrode. We know that n is equal to number of electrons involved in the reaction, F is equal to Faraday. That is called here m plus n is equal to, we know that square bracket represent concentration. M plus n is equal to metal ion, that m plus n square bracket. M plus n square bracket is equal to concentration of, we know that square bracket represent concentration. M plus n is equal to concentration of metal ions. And n is equal to number of electrons involved in the reaction. Next, F is equal to 1 Faraday is equal to 96,485 coulombs. So, Therefore, we know that on substituting R value joules 8.314, T is equal 25 degrees 298 Kelvin. So then we can write as on substituting R value 8.314 joule into mole inverse into Kelvin inverse. T is equal 25 degrees centigrade Celsius or 298 K. Then we have to write the Nernst equation for metal electrode is equal. Then E m plus n m is equal E0 m plus n m plus 0.059 by n into log 1 by m plus n concentration. So this equation is used to calculate EMF of the metal electrode at room temperature. We know that room temperature is RT. Our room temperature is 25 degrees centigrade or 298 Kelvin. Now, the Nernst equation for non-metal electrode. So, the Nernst equation for non-metal electrode. That is called E A minus n bar A is equal to E0 A minus n bar A minus 2.303 RT by NF log A power minus n. Where E A minus n bar A is equal to EMF of the given non-metal electrode. E0 A minus n bar A is equal to SRP, standard reduction potential of the given non-metal electrode. R is equal to gas constant. T is equal to absolute temperature or Kelvin temperature. A minus n square bracket means concentration. So we represent constant to square bracket, we read it as square bracket. A minus n concentration is equal to concentration of non-metal electrode. So also on substituting, so this is the Nernst equation for non-metal electrode. So similarly, as in first equation for metal electrode, on substituting R value in joules 8.314 joule into mole inverse into Kelvin inverse. T is equal 25 degrees centigrade or 298 Kelvin as room temperature. Then the next equation for non-metal electrode, that means at 25 degrees C or 298 K, then E A minus N bar A is equal to E0 SRP of A minus bar A minus 2, that is minus 0.059 by N into log A power minus N.